You're showing up, you're posting, creating, maybe even sending emails. But if I asked you right now, hey, what's actually working for you? Could you answer? And more importantly, what's not working? What's quietly wasting your time behind the scenes? Because passive income isn't just about setting up systems, it's about improving them too. And the only way to do that is to track what matters. Today, I'm breaking down the 3 simple data points that help you stop guessing and start growing. I'll show you exactly where to find them, even if data makes your eyes glaze over, okay? Before we jump in, let me know down in the comments, which platform are you currently using to grow your audience? Are you on YouTube, Instagram, Pinterest, something else? Your answer will help me create more tailored videos moving forward. And while you're here, please hit the like button so more people over 40 can build real online businesses that actually work. And this is video 5 in my series on the must-haves for passive income that actually works. If you've been watching, you've already learned how to validate your product idea, set up a system to deliver it, drive consistent traffic, and build trust. But here's the final piece, and it's a big one: using your data. Because the best part of building online, the clues are already there. You just have to know where to look. If you don't have anything to track yet because your product isn't live, I created something just for you. It's called the $7 Shortcut to Selling Your First Digital Product, and it walks you step by step through choosing, creating, and listing a product that you can sell. Once that's live, you'll have real data to work with, so you're never spinning your wheels again. Grab the shortcut at the link below this video. Now, let's dive into the 3 data points I check every week so you can do the same. You want to start by asking, where are your people coming from and what's pulling them in? Your traffic tells you which content is doing the heavy lifting for you. And here's where to check. On YouTube, go into Studio, Analytics, Traffic Sources. On Pinterest, you want to go to Analytics and look at your top pins. On Instagram, check your insights and look for content and reach. If you've checked yours recently, I'd love to know what's been your highest performing video or pin so far. Comment below and tell me what surprised you. Once you know where people are finding you, you can double down on that platform or content type. And just as importantly, you can stop wasting energy on what's not getting seen. So once someone finds you, the next step is getting them on your list. If they're not signing up for your freebie, that's a sign something's off. Here's where to look. In StanStore, you want to compare your product page views to your actual opt-ins. In Flowdesk, you want to look at your list growth and your freebie segment performance. Track lead magnet downloads over time and ask yourself, is the headline clear? Is the value obvious? Could a different format or topic convert better? Even a small change to the title of your opt-in can lead to big results. And if you're not sure what to test first, leave me a comment and I'll help you brainstorm. Okay, this is where it gets real. And I know this part can feel uncomfortable, especially if the numbers are lower than you hoped for. But here's the truth. Your sales data isn't judgment, okay? It's feedback, and you need to look at it like that. It's one of the most powerful tools that you have. So here's where you want to look. In StanStore, go to Analytics and look at your orders. Filter by product to see which one converts the best. Check Flowdesk for click rates inside your emails. Are people even getting to your product page? Review your upsell performance if you've set any up, and ask yourself, what's getting clicks but not getting buys? Is my CTA strong enough? Would a different product format help? And if you're seeing 0 sales right now, don't panic. That just means it's time to tweak, not to quit. All right, so let's clear some noise. Here are the numbers that look impressive but don't pay your bills. Follower count does not equal trust. Website page views, useless without opt-ins. Open rates, they only matter if people click. So if you've been obsessing over vanity metrics, here's your permission to stop. Focus on what's important. Are people finding you? Are they signing up? Are they buying? That's your growth plan. You don't need to be in analytics daily. Once a week is enough. And here's your routine. What content brought people in? How many people joined your list? Did anybody buy? Log it in a simple tracker or a spreadsheet and look for patterns over time. You don't need perfection here. You want to let the numbers tell you what to do next. And if this video helped you feel more confident with data, please like this video and subscribe so you don't miss the next one. And I'd love to hear from you. What's one number that you've been avoiding but know you need to look at? Drop it in the comments so we can normalize that together. All right, this wraps up my 5-part series on the must-haves for passive income that actually works after 40. If you haven't watched the others yet, they're all waiting for you to binge, and each one builds on the last. And if you're wondering how to build trust that turns traffic into sales, you can go watch my video on how to build trust online next. You'll see exactly how to warm up your audience and make selling easier. To your success. I'll see you next week. If this saved you time or gave you clarity, please hit like and subscribe. I've got a lot more videos coming and they're all made with you in mind.